was a very good policy. A housing levy where the employee would be contributing 1.5%, the employer 1.5%, and that will go into a pool of a fund. And that fund can enable us to roll out massive housing development in our country. I will talk to the trade union Kotu, which led the opposition to introduction of that law. And the leadership, Mr. Tulia, assured me they will cooperate with us. In Nairobi, nearly 60% of the population live in slums. You have Kibera, you have Ukuru Kwanjenga, you have Madare, you have Kawangware, and so on. This is also seen here in Kisumu. There is a shortage of housing, formal housing. This is something that needs to be arrested. We need to come up with proper planned development. You've got shelter, yes. But then within it, you must also have schools where children are going to go. You must have also health facilities for treatment of the people. You must also have recreational facilities and also leisure facilities like clubs where people would relax in the day. This really should be made a part and parcel of the government policy.